Hey everyone, this is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and I am back with another home tour. And today we're in the heart of Sahuarita, Arizona, just 20 minutes away from Tucson down south, in a beautiful neighborhood we call Madera Highlands. Now, this home we're about to take a look at is 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,602 square feet of beauty. It's a brand new home built in 2021. It's only had one owner. Landscape is fully done. This is a move-in ready home that you don't want to miss. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome again. My name is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things Southern Arizona. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, feel free to call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're at in the real estate process. I help people like you every day buy their dream home. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a full tour of this home. This is a home that we just listed here on the market, and it's the only home for sale on this phase of the neighborhood in Madera Highlands. So as you see me walking in here, you have a pretty long driveway. This is actually a premium lot that we're sitting on with this home. So the owners paid premium pricing just to have this big lot here in the neighborhood. It's a gorgeous neighborhood. You're right across the street from the community park. So if you have kids, what better place to be at where they can just cross the street and play and be right there near home. Now, as we walk in, you're gonna see this beautiful open concept and a den that's gonna welcome you in here. We're gonna see 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,602 square feet of beauty. This is a 2-year-old home built by Meritage Homes. So this is pretty much a move-in ready brand new home. The best part about it, unlike new construction, is that the backyard is already landscaped and ready to go. The owners here have put extra irrigation systems here. Beautiful garden bed, as you can see here as well. I mean, it's a beautiful oasis back here with the trees, all the landscape, the views. So this home has solar panels, and what better way to beat the inflation cost of electric bills and create sustainability than to own your own solar panels. Now, a little bit about the community. We're in Madera Highlands. We're sitting here near the Madera Canyon area. We're about 3,000 feet of elevation, so it's a beautiful, cool location. It's a lot cooler than Tucson, and we've even received snow here during winter times, which is absolutely gorgeous. And you're only 20 minutes away from southern Tucson. It's such a great location here that you do not want to miss. If you want to get a private tour of this home, feel free to call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let me know when you'd like to take a look at this home, and I can go ahead and get you set up. Now, other than that, let's continue the tour and welcome to your new home.
so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.